Welcome to conducting a PICO search in Embase. Defining a clinical question in terms of the specific patient problem aids the searcher in finding clinically relevant evidence in the literature. The PICO model is a format to help design that search. Select the PICO option from the Search menu. This provides the PICO template for searching. P for patient problem or population, I for intervention, C for control or comparison, and O for outcome. Additionally, Embase provides an option for study design. For this demonstration, the PICO question will be, is capsaicin effective for pain relief from arthritis? For this question, the P is arthritis. Start typing the search term and Embase will suggest the preferred term. Choose arthritis from the list. On the left, you can see the mapping in Emtree, which is Embase's thesaurus. The default search strategy is explosion. This searches your term and related narrower terms. If you wish to change this, you can do so by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the orange icon. You will then have the option of selecting Major Focus, which results in records where your search term is indexed as Major Focus. This returns fewer results than Explosion. Index Term, which searches your term or maps to the Emtree term if your term is a synonym. This has more results than Major Focus, but less than Explosion. As broad as possible, searches your term as free text everywhere. This returns the most results, but maybe not the best results. Embase also provides synonyms for the search term. You can view these by clicking on the gray icon. You will then have the opportunity to remove any synonyms that you do not wish to use by clicking on the orange radio dial next to the term. You also have the option of deciding where you want Embase to search for those synonyms by clicking on the down arrow in the blue icon. From here, you may choose title, abstract, title or abstract, which searches in both, drug or device trade name, or all, which is the default. You also have the option of removing the synonyms. The intervention is capsaicin. Again, you can view the mapping of the term, choose how you want Embase to search the term, where you want Embase to search for synonyms, and exclude any synonyms you do not wish to use. This process can be repeated for each of the PICO terms. To compare capsaicin to another intervention, such as a placebo or NSAID, type the search term under comparison. In this case, because the question does not include a comparison, it will be left blank. The outcome for this question is pain relief. Start typing pain relief, and Embase suggests the term analgesia. And as with the other search terms, you can choose options from the drop-down menus. The last field that can be filled out is the study design. This is optional. Since there are 198 results, let's use randomized control trial. This lowers the results to 11 unless the 8 synonyms are added. Using the synonyms ensures that any other term used for randomized controlled trial will be included in the results, which are now 31. To view results, click on Show Results at the bottom of the page. On the results page, you can view the search history followed by results. You can see the search string under History, which is quite long and shows just what Embase put together for this search. There are filters on the left side of the screen you can choose to limit your results even more. Since there are only 31 results, let's limit by publication year by clicking on the arrow next to that filter and checking the years. In this case, from 2014 through 2017. Click Apply at the top of the page, and the number of results is updated, and the filter is added to the search history. On the results page, you will see the list of citations retrieved. To look a little closer at a citation, select the abstract if available. Select Index Terms to see drug terms, disease terms, and other terms. Your search terms will be highlighted. To access the full text or view other options for obtaining the article, select Find It at UIC. This takes you to UIC's Journal and eJournal page. To view the record details, click on the title of the citation. Here, you have the option of choosing Full Record, Citations Only, Citations and Abstracts, or Short Record. If you choose Full Record, along with the abstract, you can view drug terms, disease terms, correspondence address, and more. You may print the record from here as well. This concludes conducting a PICO search tutorial.